Start with a base like this. 9 red pieces in the first row, 2 white pieces and 7 red pieces in the second row. Now add here 3 white pieces. And the rest of the row is red pieces. Now add here 2 white pieces on top. And the rest of the row is red. And now add a row of inverted red pieces on top. It should look like this. And now add a row of red pieces on top. And now add 3 rows of red pieces on top. And when you add this row of pieces, push them out a little so the head would be rounder. So just add a piece and then push it outside. And now add the remaining 2 rows. Add this one row normally. And now when adding the last row, add the piece and then push the top of the piece to the middle, and then this hole will be smaller. And push the ends of the pieces to the middle again, so it would look better. Now for the wings, take 2 flat red pieces and insert them 1 piece away from the white pieces. So 1 here and the other one on the other side. So they should be 4 pieces apart. So it should look like this. Now for the beak, take 1 piece of paper that is the same size you're folding the pieces from, and then fold the shorter edge to the longer edge. Like this. Now cut off this part. So now we have a square. Now fold this corner to this corner. Unfold. Now fold it in half like this. Now unfold and do the same here. So you should have 4 lines here, 2 diagonals and 2 lines from folding in half. And now fold every corner to the center here. So it should look like this. And now repeat it on all 4 sides. And now fold in half like this. And now push this edge to the middle here. So it should look something like this. And now fold right here, like this. And repeat the same on other side. So you should have something like this. Make it flat like this. And now hold it by the corners like this. Then open it up to something like this. And now add glue here. And glue it on here like this. Like this. Now take 2 flat yellow pieces. Now take one of them and open it up like this. Now push the bottom up to make it flat. And if it gets wrinkly like that, just push it down with your thumb. And hold your index finger here inside the piece. And now hold the front of the piece. Take the piece like this and just pinch here somewhere in the middle of the flaps and fold it down like this. Make another one. And insert it next to the white piece here in the second row, like this. Same here. Now glue eyes here above the beak and it will be finished. It should look like this.